So Ebba and Lucas together have 900 kronas, and we don't know how much each of them has, but we do know that Ebba has 25% more. So let's start with Lucas, because he's the simple one. He's the one that has X. He has an amount X, and we don't know exactly what X is. But we do know that Ebba has 25% more, which means that Ebba has X, the same as Lucas, and she also has 25% more, which is the same as 0.25 of X. So what Ebba has, if we add X plus 0.25 of X, 1 plus 0.25 is 1.25. So Ebba has 1.25 X and Lucas has X. And together, both of these added up give us 900 kronas. 1.25 plus X. Well, although it doesn't say anything, but if something says that it's X, it's actually a big 1 in front of it. One lot of X. So 1.25 X plus 1X is 1.25 plus 1, which is 2.25 of X equals 900. We'll make it easy for ourselves again. We won't want to know what 2.25 lots of X is. We want to know what 1X is. So we can get rid of this 2.25 by dividing this side of the equal sign by 2.25. 2.25 divided by 2.25 is 1. So let's do the same thing to the other side of the equal sign. Divide this by 2.25 as well. Notice that we are dividing both sides of the equation by exactly the same number, and we're allowed to do that in maths as long as we do the same identical thing to both sides of the equal sign. 2.25 divided by 2.25 is 1, so they cancel out, giving us X on this side. 2.25, well, I would probably look at that number. We could move the decimal point 2 places and give ourselves 900 times 100, give ourselves 90,000 divided by 225. But an easier way of doing that is maybe to multiply 2.25 by a number that gives us a nice whole number down there. Can anybody think of a really nice, easy whole number that allows us to turn 2.25 into another number? What happens if we multiply 2.25 by 4? If we multiply top and bottom here by 4, 2 times 4 is 8, a quarter times 4 is 1, so it would give us 9 on the bottom. 9 fours are 36, giving us 3,600 on the top, because now it's actually quite easy to work out. 9's go into 36 4 times, giving us X equals 400. So now we have an answer for X. We think that X equals 400. If X equals 400, then Ebba should have, let's change color here. If X equals 400, then Ebba should have the same as Lucas plus 25. But 25% of 400, that's the same as a quarter. That would be 100. So Ebba would have the same as Lucas plus an extra 5%, which would be an extra 100. So Ebba would have 500, Lucas would have 400. Add those together, and they do give us 900. 400 plus 100 plus 400, giving us 900. So we've done our final check here that we've done all the calculations correct.